This keyboard from Keychron knows exactly how far you're pressing each key. This changes what's possible with a keyboard. From customizing how deep you press a key before it registers, to actually pushing harder to go faster in driving games. Fine steering control with a keyboard? That's actually possible now. You can even configure a single key to do multiple actions depending on the depth of the press. A light press to walk, for example, and a full press to run. This is all possible because the Keychron K2HE uses magnetic or Hall effect switches. It's beautifully made with wood accents which are real rosewood. You get full color customizable backlighting, and it works with both Mac and PC, with included keycaps for each platform. It connects wirelessly over Bluetooth or a 2.4 GHz receiver, but it also supports cabled mode. The build quality is exceptional with double rail switches and an elaborate acoustic design, which makes this probably the most satisfying keyboard I've typed on.